too. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how peanuts are transformed into crunchy peanut butter, step by step.
The intense, even heat within the drum caramelizes the sugars, enhancing the deep, nutty flavor and creating that signature crunch.
Every batch is carefully blended to deliver perfect crunch and flavor.
Every jar is inspected before leaving the factory.
All right, bring it back slowly. Copy that, watching my clearance.
And that's how crunchy peanut butter is made. Again, born from raw peanuts to finished jars.